Hello guys, welcome back to another part of Photoshop tutorial. In this part we are going to learn about a tool on the toolbar called the Movie Tool. You can view the name of each tool by just placing the mouse cursor over the tool. Now here is the first tool. I just place the mouse cursor over the tool. You can see the name of the tool is Movie Tool. Also you can see the shortcut key for the tool. The shortcut key for the Movie Tool is V. I just select another tool on the toolbar. Now I am going to press the V key on my keyboard. Now you can see we can easily change that key selection, tool selection into Movie Tool. So you can use shortkey for any of these tools and you can easily select by just using that shortkey on your keyboard. So in this part we are going to learn about what is the use of the Movie Tool in Photoshop. So for demonstrating the use of Movie Tool in Photoshop, I am going to open an image. I just going to open an image in my computer. I just open an image. Now the use of Movie Tool, as the name suggests, it is used for the moving purpose. That means you can easily move some components from your work into another area, or you can move something from one layer to another layer. So that is the use of a Movie Tool. So now take a closer look at the layer area. Now there is only one layer present. That layer is actually locked. So in order to change anything on that image, we need to unlock this layer. So I double click that option, that lock option. Now a new layer option is present here. I name it as first layer. Okay, and click OK. Now a new layer is created here. Now there is no lock icon is present. That means now this layer is visible and it is available for editing. And now I just click that Movie Tool and now you can see now the cursor is changing into Movie Tool. This is the cursor option for Movie Tool. Now I choose another option. You can see the changes in the cursor. This is the default cursor for the Movie Tool. So now I am going to move this layer. Now in this image there is no selection area is available. That means I am not selecting anything on this image. So now the Movie Tool is available on this image. That means we can use the Movie Tool on this image. So now I left click my mouse and drag. Now you can see that I am able to move the image. That means the entire layer over this layout. That means over this work area. That is the use of a Movie Tool. If you using a Movie Tool without any selection, that means if there is no selection on the layer, without any selection on the layer, you can use the Movie Tool for moving the entire layer. So now I am going to select some portion of this image. This is actually a selection tool called the Marquee Tool. I just use the rectangular Marquee Tool and left click my mouse and drag. Now I just select this portion. You can see whenever I move the cursor away from that selected area, it is converted into again that corresponding tool. Actually now I selected the selection tool, that means the rectangular Marquee Tool. Now you can see it changed on the cursor. Now this is the selection tool, selection cursor. Now when I move the cursor into the selected area, it is automatically converted into the moving tool. That means you can move that selection anywhere on that image. That is another use of Movie Tool. So if you want to cut a portion from this image and you need to place it in another, you want to place that cutted area into another portion of the same image. So now I am going to do that using this Movie Tool. Now I select the selection tool called the Marquee Tool and I select some area on this image. So for moving this selected area, just hold the control key on the keyboard and left click your mouse and move. Now you can see that that cutted area, that the selected area is moved using that moving tool, and you can place it anywhere on that image. That is another use of movie tool. Now another use of movie tool is to, if you want to copy a selection and place that selection into another portion of the same image. Now I am going to take a copy of this selected area and place it into another area of the same image. So I select the selection tool, that means the marquee tool. Now I select this area. Now I am going to hit the now I am going to hold Ctrl and Alt key and left click my mouse and move, and I place it here. Now you can see I just make a copy of that selected area and place it into another portion of the same image. That is also possible using the moving tool and the selection tool. Guys, this is the simple use of a moving tool. Actually you can use moving tool with any a lot of tool. You can use the move tool with a lot of tools available on the toolbar. Also you can just change the move tool. Now I just choose another tool, and now I want to use the move tool immediately, so just click the control key on your keyboard. You can just change the currently tool into move tool. Now actually the selected tool is this tool. This is called the eyedropper tool. Now I want quickly that move tool, so I just click the control key on keyboard. Now it is automatically convert into the move tool. This is the use of a move tool in Photoshop. Guys, please subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates of Photoshop. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.